platypus from the Amazon in its natural habitat. It awaits as it waits for human flesh to walk past so it can commit the deadliest crime in the animal kingdom. It may look innocent, but it's poisonous. Oh, get back! Get back! Oh, get back! Get back! Get back. Shh, we need to be quiet now. Shh, we need to be quiet. It says it's over here. Smell flesh. Oh, oh, get away.
Okay, we're done.